Today, I'm gonna give you my full review of using the Ordinary multi-peptide serum for hair density for over a year. I will be showing you my before and after pictures, what will happen if you stop using this hair serum, and so much more. So if you enjoyed, don't forget to like it, maybe subscribe, and let's get started. So the Ordinary multi-peptide serum for hair density, it is basically a scalp treatment that is designed to support hair health so that your hair looks thicker, fuller, and very healthy. This hair serum has a water consistency, which makes it extremely easy for your scalp to absorb. It is made of peptides, castor oil, and caffeine, which are great ingredients for supporting healthy hair growth. In terms of how to use this hair serum, the instructions recommend to apply a few drops or as needed once daily, ideally at bedtime to clean dry scalp. Then you're going to massage your scalp thoroughly, and that's it. This is a leave-in treatment, so you're not supposed to wash your hair or scalp after application. For me, what it makes this serum very good for everyday use is that it is a lightweight consistency. I have oily scalp. I use this serum 5 times a week and does not make my hair oily at all. After 1 year, I'm still using this hair serum in 2 different ways. The first way is exactly as the product suggests. So before I go to bed, I apply half a pump of the Ordinary multi-peptide serum all over my scalp. I always make sure to cover the hairline, temples, the middle party, the back of my head, and then I massage for 5 minutes, and that's it. Massaging the scalp at night is like the best part. Try it if you never tried. And then I cover my hair with one of these. I'm gonna look very pretty in a few seconds, and then I just go to bed. The other way I use this hair serum is after I wash my hair, which hands down it is my favorite way to use this serum. So what I do here is after I wash my hair as usual, I will wait for about 15 minutes for my hair and scalp to be damp so it's not dripping wet before application, and then I will use a full pump of the Ordinary multi-peptide serum. I make sure to distribute it all over my scalp, always focusing on the thinning areas like the temples, hairline, parting, and the back of my head. And then I will proceed to do a gentle massage because hair is wet at the moment and you really don't want to go hard on it. I'll do that for a little bit, and that's it for the product. Then I'll proceed to apply the rest of my hair care products. My favorite type of application is on wet scalp, like on wet hair. Right after I wash my hair, I apply this product, and it does feel like it absorbs so much better on my scalp. After the 3rd month, I started to like wash my hair a little bit more often, like 2 times a week, so that whenever I applied the product, it wasn't on super dirty scalp. That's something that I have to like switch in my routine. I feel like that has made a big difference, like big. I feel like for the first month I was not using this product that consistent, so probably that was affecting my results. After having a routine down with this product and being super consistent, in 3 months I started to see results like more baby hairs. They were filling the gaps around the areas on my temples that I was losing a lot of hair. After the 3-month mark until now, it's all about how much density it feels on the ponytail. Literally the baby hairs that you saw in the previous video, now there are bangs. Yeah, short bangs, and I'm gonna be showing you. Also my parting, it looks more fuller as well. The most impressive improvement that I've seen is the density on my ponytail. Every month the ponytail was getting a little bit more fuller. Last year I said I always wanted to put my hair in a claw clip, and I couldn't because I didn't have enough density. I used to do my claw clip in this one, and now I try to do it and it does not fit on my head. Now I'm back using larger claw clips. It makes me really happy, especially when my hairdresser told me. She was like, your hair feels denser. Do you think so? There is a difference. And I'm like, it's not on my hair. And she was just like impressed about it. I might not see like insane results in terms of making my hair thicker, like the strand feeling thicker, no. The hairs that are already on my head, they are thin fine because that's the type of hair I have. I have not seen any change on that, but it does help the new baby hairs to grow stronger, to look a little bit more thicker than before. At least in my experience, that's what I've seen. One thing that I must say though, it has helped me to gain so much density that I have no idea that I could grow it. Now I'm going to show you my before and after results. This is how my hair looked when I started. This is how my hair looked 3 months after. And here's a comparison of before and a year after. The cool thing is that I'm still growing new hair. There's a lot of baby hairs that I'm growing now on right here that I feel like they're getting very close to my eyebrows. They wanted to fusion with my eyebrows. Hopefully that won't happen. Someone said on the comments that that gap on my hair, it could be like a birthmark, and that's why I don't grow hair there. Then I look at my mom's forehead and she had the same gap, so in my opinion, this product is a good support for someone that is not suffering with extreme hair loss. I do believe that in certain scenarios, like if you have extremely damaged hair and you wanted to grow a healthy back, it will definitely help you out. If you're having some trouble of growing hair, you know, in length, I think this product works. If you're having a little bit of shedding because of stress, you can use this product to balance that and help to grow new baby hair so that you compensate that loss. And if you want to make sure that your hair stays healthy, you can use this product as a support. I just don't think this product, it will be suitable for treating hair loss. If you're looking for a more natural way to treat hair loss, you wanted to go for rosemary oil or rosemary water treatments, which there are studies that shown that rosemary is almost as effective as minoxidil in treating conditions like alopecia. If you stop using this product, will your hair fall out? So it's been about 2 months since I stopped using this product so that I can answer this question. I have not seen any drastic changes, like my hair hasn't fallen in chunks. Good thing it didn't happen. My hair shedding is just normal. There's no changes in that. All the hair, the growth that this product gave me, still there. I'm still growing strong hair, and I have not seen any side effects. And honestly, I was not afraid of stopping using this product because this product is not the same as other treatments. They are very heavy that it will have like a strong side effect if you stop using it. This is not the same, okay? This is more like for supporting healthy, beautiful, gorgeous hair. That's it. The disadvantage is that you might have to wash your hair a little bit more often. That was a disadvantage if you're trying not to wash your hair that often. And if you want to use this product, you do need to prioritize to have clean scalp. I do think applying this product is going to make sure that your hair stays healthy even in rough times. I move on to another milestone with this product and I just feel absolutely happy. I really hope that all the information that I give you and my review about the Ordinary multi-peptide serum for hair density helps you out. You learned something new, and if you did, don't forget to share some love to me by subscribing to this channel right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll get to see you in the next video. Pura Vida.